Hi, I am Grace. I am an office facilities manager for one of the largest commercial office space provider. Every day, I get hundreds of requests from our clients renting office space with us, dealing with everything from kitchen appliances to major interior redesign projects. I need a system that can efficiently separate the wheat from the chaff to maintain required service levels. For example, here I have 40-odd emails in my stuff or recent inbox. I need to address them in the right order, based on customer priority, and not based on time of arrival in my inbox. So, I click this filter pivot button, and voila, alphaCtrl has generated a breakdown, or in other words, a pivot, of all these 40 emails, organized by various attributes. For example, here, I can see how many mails are unread. Here, I can see which domains have sent me the emails, and here, I can see who has sent me how many emails. Seeing this, I can quickly decide I am going to look at Ethan's emails first, as I know he represents one of our fastest growing customers who are rapidly adding office space as they scale their business across countries and segments. alphaCtrl makes such information discovery simple and instantaneous, unlike the search queries or skimming required in other email clients, allowing me to work on what's most important right now.